All right, good morning. We are going to apply our quadratic equations for solving area problems. So let's say we have a picture of something and we need to create a frame around it. Okay. This frame has to be the same dimensions all the way around. Okay, so equal distance from any point. Okay, we know that the picture is 10 inches wide, and we know that it's 8 inches in length. Okay, and we're looking for some frame length that fits the area that we've been told this picture and frame together are allowed to be. Okay, so we know that area is equal to the length of something times the width of something. Okay, and in this case, we're told that the area of this picture frame is allowed to be 168 square inches. Okay, well, we need to write the length of this picture and frame and the width of it, okay, in terms of an expression. So we have, looking at the full length here, we have 2x's plus the 10 inches. That's how wide our picture frame is. And then we also have x here and x here. So together, the length of our frame is 8 inches plus an x here and an x here, right? So we've got 2x plus 8. So this is our length and this is our width. Now that we have these in terms of x, right? We have 2x's added to the 10 to create our width, and we have 2x's added to the 8 to create our length, okay? Now what we want to do is plug these into our area formula. So our length, we said, was 2x plus 8, and we said our width was 2x plus 10. Well, now we have these two things, length and width, multiplied together to give us 168. So if we distribute this, and we can use the box method to do this, so we've got 2x, and we've got 8, and we've got 2x, and we've got 10. Okay, so the box method was something we used several units ago. So 2x and 2x is 4x squared. 2x and 10 is 20x. 8 and 2x is 16x. And 8 and 10 is 80. Now, when we add like terms or combine like terms, we're going to get 4x squared plus 36x plus 80. Okay, well, we know that this is the area, and it was allowed to be 168 square inches. So once we are here, though, in order to solve this, to find out how wide our frame gets to be, we have to put this in standard form. So recall that standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. Well, we have this 168, so we need to move it over here and combine it with this constant. So minus 168, minus 168. So now we have 0 equals 4x squared plus 36x. And then we do the math here, and that should be negative 88. Okay, now this is in standard form. We can apply it to the quadratic formula, which is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Or we can factor it, right, by finding factor pairs that go into the product of 4 and negative 88 and 36. But we don't have to do that right now because that's not what we're after, okay? It's all about setting up the quadratic equation by finding the two pieces that make area, which is length times width, okay? So this should help you with the first couple of questions in your lesson. If not, definitely come to class and you can ask follow-up questions.